What's going on, family? Today I'm at Whitley Preserve by David Weekley Homes, and I'm in front of the Trailwind model. Now, this floor plan is absolutely gorgeous. If you're looking for a ranch and a half-story floor plan with the luxurious feel, you need to come in. Let's take a look at this floor plan. It is a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath home, over 2,900 square feet. Let's go take a look. Welcome. First thing you notice about this floor plan is the high ceilings. It gives you that elegant, luxurious feel, and this home feels much larger than 2,900 square feet simply by the height of the ceilings. Now, this area right here could be converted into a dining room, or you can use it as an office, as you see right here. Now, one thing you'll notice when you come into the living room is how spacious it is, but also you'll notice this wall of windows that just lets in tons of natural light. Now, people move to the Carolinas for the indoor-outdoor living, and this home delivers on that. Not only do you have a covered lanai that you can screen in if you choose to, and you have an area where you can create the perfect outdoor oasis. Welcome to the kitchen. Can you picture yourself entertaining right here in this kitchen, chilling down here at this island, in this living room? You have this open feel, and also take a look at these top-notch finishes here in this kitchen. You have the glass panel kitchen cabinets and the built-in microwave and oven that just gives it that luxury feel with this deluxe kitchen package. Welcome to this beautiful primary suite. Now, I don't feel small or tiny in a lot of homes, but in this bedroom, I do, because it is absolutely massive. Let's take a look. So there you have it. What do you think of the Trailwind floor plan? We are at the Whitley Preserve by David Weekley Homes. If you're interested in this community or any other communities in the greater Charlotte area, go ahead, reach out to my team and I. I would love to help you and guide you throughout the process and make sure we find the perfect home for you and your family and your needs. And it doesn't matter the price point. I help people anywhere from the $350,000 range all the way up to the multi-million-dollar range. You will get the same quality of service and attention to detail every step of the process. I'm Sir Ashley, your real estate advisor. Talk to you soon.